of all, we are at 1.7K right now. We gotta get to 2K. Make sure you subscribe if you like any of the videos I post. Hit that bell notification. Let's get to 2K. Let's get to 2K, and so I can start doing giveaways and stuff. I can do more for the channel. As you can see, today we're gonna talk about these eBay headlights that I bought about a year ago. Some of the pros and cons of having them headlights. Some of the things that I knew going in, and some of the things I really didn't know. Installation wise, it was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. What I did notice is, number one, it doesn't have the bumper bracket, so your bumper is going to hang a little bit, as you can see in this video. Not too big of a deal, but if you're one of those people that likes to have everything perfect and the way it's supposed to be, it could be an issue for you. Second thing I knew about was there are no high beams on that light. It's 200 bucks or something like that, but no, it does not come with a high beam. And some people found a way to add another bulb and add a switch there. I was gonna do it, and then I decided not to do it. If you're gonna be rocking those headlights, you're gonna have just the regular daytime running light, and then the halogen bulb, and then that's all you're gonna have. You're not gonna have a high beam, just a low beam and then daytime runnings. I would say a big con to these headlights, the halogen bulb or whatever, the projector in there blew out already. It stopped working, and then my turn signal on the other light stopped working. And I haven't touched the lights or anything like that, and it just randomly stopped working. So I don't know if it's something maybe happened when I was switching my fan out, if the fan blew the fuse, or what. But what I do know is they no longer work. The lights are actually not that bad. They're not bright though. If you live in a place where there's no street lights, it's probably not the best bet for you. I posted on Instagram a little while back. You can see a little out in front of you with the lights, but you cannot see that far out front of you. So it could be an issue as well. Maybe there's a way to, from what I was told, there's a way that you can upgrade that bulb. I think Morimoto makes a LED bulb that you can use. Something else I was going to look into, I ended up not even doing. But that being said, they do look good. They do look OEM. They just do not work OEM. The OEM headlights are like 1,200 to like 1,400 or something like that. And for a lot of people, that's not something they would want to spend on a headlight. Neither do I. I was lucky enough to catch a part out that was happening, and within that part out, the guy was like, you could take them off me, you could take the pigtails. I bought a fan off him, and I bought the headlights for like $150 or something like that. So $150, and I got OEM headlights. So now I just got to get a harness, and it's definitely it's going to be an upgrade. But if I was to rate these out of a 10, I would probably put them at maybe a 7, just for the fact that they did not have a high beam. There's no way to get a high beam in there just easily. The bumper brackets aren't really a big issue, but some people may see them as an issue. Now, in my opinion, the better alternative would probably be to get like a 2018 or 2015 and up style headlight, or a 2018 and up style headlight, or just a retrofit, just for a couple hundred more bucks. It'll be worth it in the long run. It won't be anything you'll have to fix or update or anything like that. But not too worried about everything. Who is this dude in the back? If you don't want to really go fiddling with anything, you don't want to mess with your headlights too much, you don't want much of a project, but you want a better look, you're probably better off with like a retrofit or something like that, or getting somebody to make you a custom headlight, which could be a little bit more expensive, but in the long run, it'll be a little bit better. Bad, it's like I said though, they're not that bright, and you don't have any options for a high beam. So when it was really dark, and if I was ever driving anywhere that didn't have like a lot of light around, I was really struggling to see the road. It's not something you really want. But if it's a car that's only going to see the daytime, why not? But right now, like I said, my turn signal and my low beam went out. So even during the day, just gotta make sure I get it home in time. We're almost to 2K, so make sure you guys subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.